This is part 2 of Beanie Boo's camping. Hope you enjoy. Feels like we've been hiking forever. Yeah, I know, but it's kind of worth it. It is not. My paws are getting dirty, and I just got them done. Don't be such a girly girl, Sophie. I'm so scared. Don't be scared. Come on. I don't know. I'm with Tracy. Yeah, no kidding. You're with Tracy. You guys are always together. Will you guys stop it? What's that noise? Feels like a shower. It's a waterfall. It's not somebody taking a shower. It's a waterfall nearby. Can we go to it? No, it's dangerous. Have you ever seen one of those things in movies and people jump on them and they get seriously hurt? Yeah, I agree with Robert. Finally, we got all this way. Yeah. Uh-huh. Finally. Okay. We managed to get through all this way. Hey, do I hear TV? It's probably somebody who just, sprung a cabin. Yeah, we can't invade their space, though. I agree. Yeah, me too. Guys, it's getting really late. Yeah. Do you think we might have to camp out? Yup. This was part 2 of Beanie Boo's camping. Hope you enjoyed.